Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Deputy Inspector General of Police Kajala Meghalaya Davis Nestel Rangsa Marak IPS ulaong bakat kum ki jingtip balayo lum kaladon ka jingsam ni ki Shithi Dawa Pisa Henry hadu menta empat don uweru ubalawan syakmat ban ujor da kehijahar hapo katanat pulit bat kani kala bandai ki khubor hamsaya la bendrap umarak habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor ka sngi baar jong katayo ka arpusan trik unaitung ulaong ban namar bamdon uweru ubawan syakmat ban pensisha yakani empat la ban penscam ni pentikna la ka don shisha ni ka bakum kata ka jingpa Shithi Dawa Pisa ulaong ru bakala bandai baki breu ki batrai kam shimet ni ki businessman ki sha Dawa Pisa ru Henry kini ru ki klamwan mi syapo katanat pulit ban pensisha la ki yok ni ya ka Shithi Dawa Pisa ulaong ru baha ka bayadai bat kani nakaliang katanat pulit ke jela kadang penlong ye ke jingtokin shisho ha kani gasngi ni kaliang marak ulaong baha ka pertai jong ka jukstart ka babenta ki babon ki le pendon kam ni ki phone ki bala ban penle bat pensna ye ki dor ki dar ha ka badang men ha kani kalami ka khubor ba ka kenhon king atiar na rilum garo ya kabala tip kum ke GNLA kala sedang man ke imbiang Henry ka dei tang kinong tray belas ngi ke bala pla hadin bakila shotgun
one demand note has surfaced and it is circulating and it was even reported in the media. The person purportedly whose name came out, he has denied his involvement. In fact, he has come to police headquarters yesterday also and he has denied. So we are further inquiring into it as to the veracity, whether it is actually, whether it is true, as to whether his involvement is there or not, or somebody else may have used his name for serving his demand notes. So we are inquiring into that.
But we have seen the Hnlc denying their involvement in serving these demand notes. So are these demand notes fake or are they genuine?
See, we cannot rule out at this stage because, as we said, we are inquiring into this matter, and only once we inquire and investigate into this matter fully, then we will be able to find out. Like I said before, the person whose name appeared, apparently, he has denied that it is not him, and in fact, he reported yesterday to police headquarters also. Now, whether these are genuine Hnlc demand notes or somebody is taking advantage using the name of Hnlc for the serving demand notes, that we will uncover when we investigate further into this case.
Sir, yesterday the Hnlc, while clarifying into on the reports alleging they have served the demand notes, we have seen they have mentioned at the bottom, at the concluding part of their statement, they said that if anybody can come forward to donate or give donation to the outfit. What is your take on this?
Number one, any donation to an unlawful association. Hnlc is an unlawful association. So they will be liable. Any form of donation, help, contribution, they will be liable. So anyone donating, contributing, and if we get to know and we have proof that they are donating, we will take action as per law. Even as of now, Hnlc is an unlawful association. Yes, we have had reports of such demand notes being served. Unfortunately, nobody has come forward to file an FIR or to report properly to the police. Now, unless these are just rumors which are circulating, because as of now they are not verifiable facts to substantiate these allegations as of now, because no one has actually. Some businessmen, they have claimed that they may have claimed that they were extorted, they was given these demand notes, but they themselves have not come forward to the police to reveal as to whether they have actually got these demand notes or from whom, etc. They have not come forward. So no action can be done taken as of now. On a specific case, of course, we are inquiring into this general allegation, but as of now, we have not had any instance of a very specific case being reported to us.
How will the police deal with, because in the demand notes itself, the victims are being threatened with dire consequences if they report the matter to the police?
That is always the modus operandi of all the militant groups. And if you recall, recently you must have noticed that there was a fake GNLA also and we found out later when they were actually arrested, they were just laborers. So in today's world where everyone has access to smartphones, and with just some sort of photoshopping and posting some sort of demand note, so we cannot ascertain unless because at the end of the day, we also get to know through our intelligence sources that certain demand notes have been served. Now, but we cannot authenticate whether that is it is a genuine demand note or whether it has been photoshopped and somebody is playing mischief with it. So unless we get a very specific report, then only we will be able to investigate. The problem with photoshopped messages which are being circulated in social media is that it is forwarded hundreds of times. It is difficult to find out the origin of that particular picture or a demand note or anything of that sort. So unless a person who is the first recipient of that particular note, he comes to us, and then only we will be able to verify.